drink when you're in labor? Well, today I'm gonna show you guys one red raspberry leaf tea based labor aid that you're gonna love for your natural birth. Hey mamas, it's your CajunStork here, Midwife Kyra. As you know, I believe in truly natural birth because I know it makes for better birth experiences. Consider subscribing to my channel because I know you're gonna believe in it too. Let's get started on our recipe. So, of course, the most important thing in this concoction is our red raspberry leaf tea. It's full of potassium, magnesium, and other vitamins and minerals that we need throughout our labors. We have coconut water. This is my favorite brand. You can find it in the description below. And coconut water is going to replace those vital electrolytes that you need in labor because water is simply not going to be enough. And of course, we have these red raspberry leaf tea here. I'm actually, because I'm making an infusion, I'm gonna make a double strength batch. So we're gonna need to add red raspberry leaf tea to our pre-made batch. I'm gonna use tea bags here, but you could use loose leaf. And last but certainly not least, we need honey. For our 4 cups of infusion that we're gonna make today, you're gonna want to make about 1/3 to 1/2 of a cup of honey. Now, I know that's a lot of honey, but keep in mind that when you're laboring and you're burning all kinds of energy in labor, honey's not only gonna give you the energy to push through the rest of your labor, but the sugar content of the honey will actually increase your pain tolerance, which, as I'm sure you can imagine, phenomenal for your natural birth. So let's get started. So our first step is to pour our pre-made red raspberry leaf tea into our pot and bring it to a boil. We're boiling it because we're going to be steeping more tea. So since we're making 4 cups, an infusion is a double batch of tea. So we're gonna make 4 tea bags steeped in here. 3, 4. Okay, so now that our water's starting to boil, we're going to steep our 4 bags for 20 minutes. I'm gonna turn off the heat and we're gonna set our timer for 20 minutes. Hey Siri, set the timer for 20 minutes. Okay. All right, 20 minutes is up. Let's see what we have. Ooh, you can definitely smell that earthy red raspberry leaf tea flavor. All right, so I'm gonna pull these out. And I'm gonna squish them and squeeze out that last little bit of goodness. Red raspberry leaf tea, as you probably already know, is full of good vitamins and minerals, and we want every little bit of it that we can get. All right. And now we have an infusion. An infusion is simply just a super strong tea. In this case, it's a double batch. So let's pour it into our container so you can see what it looks like. Nice strong tea. You can tell it's an infusion because of its dark color. So now that we have our infusion, our next step is to pour 2 cups of coconut water into our 2 cups of red raspberry leaf tea infusion. Okay, so before we add our honey, let's taste it. Oh, it's not bad. I actually really like coconut water, so this tastes a lot more like coconut water and a lot less like red raspberry leaf tea. So we still want to add our honey though, so even though it tastes okay right now, when you're in labor, you really need that honey. So let's get it in there. You want at least 1/3 of a cup. You can go up to 1/2 of a cup for taste. So now we're gonna shake it up to mix up our ingredients. Oh, I made a mess. And that is it. This is our red raspberry leaf tea based labor aid. But if you're looking for some other flavor options, I made this video for you right here full of other recommendations from our viewers on things that we can try out our tea with. So I'll see you over there. Thanks for watching this Midwife Monday. Bye-bye.